Good morning, fourth graders. This is your science e-learning lesson for Monday, April 20th. We're going to be taking a look at this together, and it's called What's the Matter? And we need to take a look at each item listed 1 through 16 and just determine whether it is an example of a solid, a liquid, or a gas. So let's go through this together. First we have is milk, solid, liquid, or gas. Good. Liquid. Oxygen. Solid, liquid, or gas? Gas. Pencil. Solid. Shampoo. Liquid. Ice cube. Solid. Oil. Liquid. Water vapor. Gas. Helium. Gas. Next column, cookie, solid. Fish, solid. Maple syrup, liquid. Carbon dioxide, gas. Paint, liquid. Salt, solid. Gasoline, liquid. Sand, solid. Okay, and down at the bottom, complete each sentence with the words solid, liquid, or gas. So we have 3 definitions, so let's read through them all first. Blank has a definite shape. It does not take the shape of its container. It also has a definite volume because it can be measured. A blank does not have a definite shape. It takes the shape of its container. It does have a definite volume because it can be measured. And the last one says, a blank does not have a definite shape. It sometimes takes the shape of its container and sometimes flies freely around you. These particles are not connected to each other and takes up whatever space is available. Okay, so we have 1 that has a definite shape and 2 does not have a definite shape, does not have a definite shape. So of solids, liquids, and gases, which one does have a definite shape? Okay, solid. Okay, oops. The solid does have a definite shape. Your science textbook is a solid. There's a definite shape to it. The table or desk you're sitting at while working has a definite shape. Those are solids. Okay, solids have definite shapes. They do not take the shape of the container that it's in, and there's also a definite volume because the volume of that object can be measured. Now the 2 that do not have definite shapes obviously are gases and liquids. So let's see what the difference is. In the second one it says it takes the shape of its container and it does have a definite volume because it can be measured. So is it a liquid or a gas that takes the shape of its container? And you know that's a liquid, and last week we had talked about how if you put water into a glass, it will appear to have that cylindrical shape of the glass. If you then took the water that was in the glass and you poured it into a square container, then suddenly the water seems as though it is now the shape of a square. If you take it and you put that same water into a round bowl, it now appears to be round. So it does take the shape of the container that you pour it into. Okay, and then the last one, a blank does not have a definite shape. It sometimes takes the shape of its container and sometimes flies freely around you. Well, you know that's definitely a gas because there are gases around us. Okay, and these particles are not connected to each other and they take up whatever space is available. So that third one was a gas. So an easy review of looking at different objects and deciding whether they are solids, liquids, or gases. And then, of course, most importantly, that you have this clear about the definitions of solid, liquid, and gases, and how they may be similar but also how they are different. So please make sure that you read these over again carefully and you understand the difference among the solid, liquid, and gas. Okay? And then on your own, I would like you to work on this worksheet called Why Does Matter Matter? And if you take a look at the word bank up at the top, you have solids, gases, liquids, volume, mass, shape, container, atoms, space, matter, chair, milk, ice, air, clouds, juice, and melting. Okay? And you're going to use those words to fill in the blanks down below. You have 17 vocabulary words. And let's just take a quick look. You see that there are 12 sentences, but let's just take a quick look at how many blanks you have. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So even though it's numbered 1 to 12, some of those sentences, like number 1, okay, have more than one blank in them. So you have 17 words up here in the box. You have 17 blanks. Each word will be used only one time. So it's something like this. Go through, fill in the ones that you feel pretty confident about, and then go back and look at the other ones. And then in the end, you want to go back and reread and make sure you have filled them in correctly. Please don't forget, make sure you put your name on this, please, because when I get this, I will be printing them out. I need your name on it in order to give you your grade and give you the credit for having completed the assignment. Okay? So please make sure you work on that carefully. Of course, use your textbook to help you with anything that you're not sure about. Go back into your textbook. The information is found in Chapter 11. So if you need any help, refer back to Chapter 11. And again, if there's anything that you need my help with, please make sure you reach out to me so that I can help you. Later in the week, you will be working on a science test. We'll do a couple of more things, and probably about Wednesday or Thursday, you'll be working on a test. It will be open book, but you still need to be comfortable in the material to know where to find your answers to the questions. Okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye.